Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Highlander 28 to 2014 years. Okay, it comes with the special harness. This is special harness plug and play. Okay, and you can choose the time, you can choose logo. Let me check settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact us. This logo you can also choose the Toyota. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. All apps here is built in the Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And it's built in the Google Maps. It's built in Play Store, you can download the applications from it. And long press you can choose the app like the Bluetooth. And when you click it will show Bluetooth. Okay, let me check the settings. It's Android 11 system. And memory is 8GB. Storage 128GB. Connect Wi-Fi and it supports SIM card. It comes with the SIM card slot. And this SIM style, there are total 8 SIMs. 8 SIM style. Color, button color you can adjust with any color. Okay. About device, you can check Android 11, DDR 8GB and storage 128GB. This HMI, this factory settings, password 8878. And please could set the brake with 0. If not, you can't watch a video. Okay, you can choose the boot logo. Okay. Okay, firstly let me introduce the Bluetooth. It's built in the Bluetooth and you can pair Bluetooth from your phone. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth. Search. Your phone will get message. Please click pair and connected show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it supports make a free phone call. and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call. And you can set their home screen. You can set the launcher, this radio, FM and AM. Okay. This video, I will check the music. This DSP amplifier. Sub out. Balance. Okay. These instructions of user manual. You can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website and contact to us. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications. Its contact list you can download by Bluetooth. It's built in the Google Maps. Also support other navigation. It's volume control. Okay. You can set its launcher with default. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website to contact us. LAN press, you can choose the app to set the internet. And it's built in the 4G, the 4G SIM card slot. You can check this connector back head unit, this 4G. Pull it, you will get the SIM card slot. You can put the SIM card slot in it. And this video out for headrest monitor by USB. Okay. This is our website, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, just visit our website, contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.